Hey y'all, this is Bigfoot Brett coming to you with our Yeti model today. We're going to run through this trailer pretty quick and show you some key features and show you why this is one of the best trailers out there in the market. Starting here at the front, as always, we use a Demco Easy Latch coupler, 4-bolt with the grid system, so you're able to adjust it to any size vehicle. Paired with a 3/8 bent coupler on here, fully welded out. We always run the 12K Ram jacks with the spring-loaded leg on them, so you're able to lift these trailers up with a machine on them and get them off the back of your truck. At Bigfoot Trailers, we make about 90 to 95% of all of our parts in-house to keep the cost down so you, the customer, can have a quality trailer at a lower price. Starting here is our huge toolbox in these Yeti trailers. This comes on the Yeti 15K and 18K with the ramps and our tilt option. It's gonna be about 11 to 12 inches deep, the entire tongue area. It's gonna have a 3/16 lid that you're able to put your bucket on, any compact or anything small that can fit up here to utilize that as deck space. We use all the same wiring on all of our trailers. We have a high quality breakaway box with a super high quality encased watertight harness, plug and play with all LED lighting. So on all of our trailers at Bigfoot, we use a 2-part epoxy primer with a 2-part urethane / Emron top coat on these trailers. The same thing they paint skid steers, airliners, even ships with. So this paint has a really hard enamel on the outside, so it helps with the corrosion from the weather, from whether it be beating sun, heavy rains, or even rocks coming up off the road, reducing the chipping on the trailer. So on all of our Yeti model trailers, we use an 8-inch structural I-beam that's gonna run from the tongue all the way back to the very end of the trailer. This creates a lot of support and strength to the trailer versus some of your channel frame models. One on each front corner, in front of and behind each fender, and in the very rear of the trailer on our Yeti models. So as far as tie downs go on our Yetis, you're gonna have rub rails starting at the very front and going to the very rear of the trailer, and then you're gonna have 6 D-rings throughout the deck, and it's always an option to add more. On our 18K Yeti and Yeti Tilt, we use an 8K torsion axle that comes with these 16-ply, 17.5-inch wheel radials that are absolutely massive. They will withstand about 19,000 pounds, all 4 of them together. This is basically having a semi-tire on your trailer. So at Bigfoot, we used 1/8-inch diamond plate steel to make our fenders. We make these in-house, so they're strong enough to withstand 2 Bigfoots. So this is a standard ramp that comes on our Yeti trailer. It is 24 inches wide by 68 inches long, so that we have a nice loading degree on this trailer because we have these Torflex axles that have a 22-degree upstart. So it makes the actual frame of the trailer lower to the ground so you can eliminate the dovetail. On all of our Yeti trailers, we do a spring assist ramp on here so that it is easy for you to lower when you're loading your machines and also pick up. On Bigfoot's Yeti, we use a 2x8 structural steel tubing. This step right here, we call it the tree crusher. So if it grabs a tree or any stump, it's gonna just push it right out of the way and not have any issues with going through rough terrain. At Bigfoot, we use 3-inch structural channel as our cross members underneath these trailers, all 16 on center. These are gonna be 8,000-pound Torflex axles from Dexter. These have a 10-year warranty on them. These are all independent suspension with no springs. These are some of the best axles you can get on the market at the moment. If you want a trailer that looks just as good underneath as it does on top, you come to Bigfoot Trailers and we'll show you around.